Hey friend, and welcome back to part 2 of unboxing my Nama J2 juicer. And if you watch the first part, step 1, part 1, this is the Nama J2 right here. And currently right now I have celery, apples, 2 green apples. I've already cut up some oranges, and I have some carrots that I'm going to be cutting up, and we're going to test it out and see how it works, how it operates, and also how the juice blends and how it tastes. So I'm excited. Surprised my youngest one didn't come out because she's like, oh, I want some. Which I appreciate because she definitely she'll try pretty much anything. Unless, like my son who is, he has a different types of allergies since he was a baby. Honestly, one. But definitely we have come a long way in the sense of what he eats. And he eats pretty much the same thing, but it's all good. But I think with the juicing, he will be good to go as well. All right, so I'm chopping up the green apples. I'm trying not to do it small, I'm thinking. So I'm gonna just cut it up in thirds. I wanna get the seeds out as well, as you can see. And also I have a food background as well. I don't see myself cooking on this channel, but hey, you never know. Maybe one day I'll make a few recipes. Right now I'm cutting up the carrots. So yeah, but food is something that I enjoy eating and cooking for myself and my kids. Okay. All right, let's make sure. I'm going to cut these in half, actually thirds. All right, so, and one thing I will be sharing on this channel is how I got into my wellness journey while I was serving on active duty in the Air Force. AA. Okay. And also this channel is not to be like Miss Perfect, because I'm not, but really just show up authentically as a woman, as a mom. Let me move this over. I don't know why. Okay, let me move back. That lighting light. Okay, you move over here, we're gonna be in here too. I'm still trying to figure out this swivel barrel pod camera, so let me do that. And I got to figure out how to have it lifted higher, but also not only see me, but see what I am cutting up as well. So, like I said, if there are any questions that you have of me as it pertains to leadership, maybe you're a woman who is leading in corporate space, but also leading in your business. Maybe you're a mom and you're at the age of 40 plus and you're just like, whoo! Because girl, I got a 6-year-old, a 14, and a 20-year-old. So big age gap. And that'll be the conversation that I'll be sharing about this parenting, but also wellness. And another thing that I plan to do in 2026 is to complete my first full marathon. So I ran multiple half marathons already. Okay. All right, y'all, that's my 6-year-old. So she's back on the couch because she says she's done reading, going over her words, and playing. So I was like, okay, let's take a break from the electronics It is Sunday, but still, you know, what time is it? All right. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna put that over here. That's my cutting board. All right, so here's my bowl of fruits and vegetables. So in here we have oranges, we have carrots, we have celery, and we have green apple. My kale, friend, it was not good. I bought that a couple weeks ago, I think beginning of January. Waited to unbox this, but yeah, that did not go as planned. But you know what? It's all good. All right, let's make sure you can see this. Let's see. I'm trying to. All right, so it's. Oh, I'm excited. Got the drainer, got the. All right, so let's turn it on. Okay, something is off because it is not coming on. Oh, this has to be down. Okay. Learn something new. All right, so we're gonna put the hard stuff. You set the hard stuff first. Let's go back to this. Yeah, okay, the hard stuff is on the top. Okay, let's take these out. All right, so, okay, all right, so I have to put the oranges first, and then I'll turn it on. We'll put the celery next, and then we'll add the apples, then the carrots. I'm hoping to get at least 2 nice full jars of juice from this. Okay, let's see this. All right, let's try it out. All right. So let me see if I can. I'm trying to. Okay, let's see. Nice, like I didn't have to push down hard. It's going, it's moving along. Okay, I can see myself using this a couple times a week because my goal is to make about 4 to 6 bottles per week and drink about 3 a day or more, honestly. Because it's not gonna be full of just fruits. For me, it's gonna be more vegetables like kale, beets, carrots, celery, cucumbers. Okay, let me add some more. And my goal is I'm gonna order some bottles off of Amazon so that I can have bottles that I can grab on the go. You know? If you have one, let me know in the comments that you have one. Let me know how you love it, if you don't love it, or if you have a different brand, let me know what brand you have. So, like I said, also if there are any questions that you have about what to expect from this channel, let me know. Also, as a single woman, the girl will be tapping into the dating space as well, so stay tuned for that. That is something new for me because it's been a minute since I've been on a date, because I ended a relationship of 7 years, which was needed, okay? But again, this is about doing what's best for you as a woman, what's best for me, myself, my kids, that self-leadership. That orange got in my eye. And just enjoying life. For me, it's really, when I say lead and live well with Chevy, it's about truly enjoying life, thriving through every season, no matter the challenges, no matter the hiccups, no matter the end of a relationship, a marriage, no matter, if, a death, like you still as a woman have to continue to live and thrive through all of that, because these are things that I have experienced myself, from divorce, losing both parents, ending a 7-year relationship, also, retiring from the military, that transition, launching a business and the challenges that comes with launching a business, writing my first book, which I'll be sharing more about. It is titled Woman Breed, Living Through Life, Career, and Business, while thriving in every season. Because the goal is life will happen, you will have challenges, but how do you move forward? How do you self-lead yourself to overcome those challenges, those doubts, those fears, the decision-making that you're afraid to make? So all of that is what we're going to be covering. The 3 core areas that we're going to focus on, like I said: leadership, self-leadership, lifestyle, and wellness. And also I'm going to share with you my journey of running my full first marathon, okay? Like signing up, training, and I've done 5 half marathons already. I run. Running is just part of my thing. It's just something that I truly enjoy. And, okay. All right. So, can you turn it down, please? So this is what I was able to gain from all that. The bowl is completely empty. So this is what I was able to get. And here is the pulp, the leftovers. So nice, organized, beautiful colors. Look at that. Beautiful colors. All right, so I'm gonna get a jar. We're gonna rinse this out. I'm surprised it didn't follow me. Okay, anyways, so let's drink our first juice using our Namaje 2. What I'm gonna do, this is called straining. Well, then I'm from Guyana too, South American Guyana, and we will call this, strain the drink. All right, let's taste this. This is good. It does have a bitter taste. And that is from the skin of the orange. So next time what I'm going to do is peel the orange first. But outside of that, it still has a sweetness from the carrots. And it tastes good. Like if it was nasty, trust me, your friend will say it's nasty. Okay. But this was good. It's me using my Namaje 2, okay, juicer. And I'm excited for this. Purchasing this because this is something that I've wanted for a minute. And also I'm going to be adding some additional things to my wellness toolkit as well, because in 2026, it's not about just maintaining, it's how do we sustain our lifestyle, our wellness. And I'm not saying extravagant lives, I'm saying quality lifestyle, friends. So welcome to not Lead, that was my old channel, y'all. Welcome to Lead and Live Well with Chevy. This, Lead Like a CEO is my podcast that I had, still have it, but I revamped that channel. So when you come to this channel, you will see leadership interviews that I've done because it was Lead Like a CEO. Now it's Lead and Live Well with Chevy. And again, I'm going to be doing a welcome video, a sit down where we, talk. You get to know more about me, but also you get to know more about what I have planned for this channel, more about my book, Woman Breed, Leading Through Life, Career, and Business While Thriving in Every Season, and also life, going through life and thriving through all the things. So I want to thank you for joining. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and share this with a friend who is looking to elevate how she show up as a leader in her business, in her career, but also how she enjoy life, her energy, or her ability to incorporate movement and just overall her well-being holistically. Because for me, it's about living holistically in the best way that you can as an individual. And also parenting. Parenting is not easy. Okay, especially when you are single parenting and managing the home, running businesses, all the things. So definitely stay tuned for more. I appreciate you being here. Thank you. And let me go ahead and clean up, call it a day so I can relax, have an amazing Sunday, and come back next Sunday for another episode of Lead and Live Well with Chevy. See you soon.